Hello everybody, today you will make a breasted chicken with a baby bella and asparagus. For the ingredient we got breasted chicken, a cut and a half already, and I gotta put salt and black pepper, and we put little salt. I did already on the other side. And when I cut I was a pound already. And black pepper. And we got it, heavy cream, mozzarella, shredded mozzarella, asparagus, butter, I got the Madeira wine, mushroom, baby bella, garlic, shallot, and parsley. This is from my garden. Okay, we got the asparagus. I got the water boiled and I salt already. And this you gotta cook only for a couple of minutes. Not too much. Okay, now the asparagus is ready. Turn the gas off and let's put it right on this dish over here. It's really nice, like this, you drain the water, everything. It's good. Okay, now we start to chop the garlic and the shallot. Let's start with the garlic. And we gotta make it nice. Okay, the garlic is good, and now we do the shallot. And make sure to chop nice and thin the shallot and the garlic, but make sure to not chop your finger either. After what happened, you make the shallot, the garlic, and beef. Now we do the mushroom, and we start to chop the mushroom like this. Okay, the mushroom is done, and now it's a time for the parsley. See how nice you got a parsley for your garden? It's really smells so good. It's really fresh. Okay, now we start with the mushroom. Let's put the gas on. I got the oil over here. And we saute the mushroom first. We leave warm up good the oil before I put the mushroom. This look like so many mushroom, but one time you cook this, come out or not. But this it's really good. When I was in Italy, over here too, the big holiday, I make a mushroom salad, raw. It's so delicious. Okay, we put the mushroom. We gotta make sure not to watch the mushroom. After when they cook very good, one time the mushroom, it's a nice cook, not really cook too much. I want to put the garlic and the onion. It's the shallot I use. Okay, now the mushroom, it's really good. Now we put the garlic and the shallot. And we saute this together. And we give a nice mix like that. And we give a nice saute. All right. And we cook a little bit this now. Okay, now the mushroom is done. That's it. And we put it right on this dish over here. All right. Put more oil. Now what do? We put oil, a piece of butter. Okay. Okay, now the butter melt, the oil is out, everything is good, and now we start with the breasted chicken. We gotta make a beautiful color. Okay, 1, 2, now we wait when the chicken is ready. After we gotta put everything together. Okay, now we did on one side, and now we turn the chicken and we put on the other side. All right, it looks really, really good. Okay, now it's the time of the wine. But what I'm doing, I load the gas. I don't want my house on fire. I need that house. And we put a little bit now. All right, and now let's go. And now we leave evaporated the wine. After that, I want to take the chicken out again. And I gotta use the chicken stock, the heavy cream, and cook it together a little bit. Okay, now we take the chicken out. And I put it right on this dish over here. Oh, it smells so good with the wine. All right, and we put little chicken stock. And I got the heavy cream. All right, look like we got more little heavy cream over here. And we give a little clean up like this. Now we leave it boil together this for a couple of minutes, and we leave it stay. Okay, now this is cook a little bit. I want to put a little parsley to give a little color like this. And I make it a little turn of the magazine. It change color. Okay, got a nice green, the parsley. And now it's a time to put the chicken back. And we put one. We got everything over here, 2, 3, and 4. And we put it nice like that. And now we got the mushroom. And the mushroom, we put it right on the top, all over the top of the chicken. Oh, this is so delicious. And the mushroom, now it's done. And we spread like this, the mushroom all over the place. Okay. And I got the asparagus. And asparagus, I want to put one bundle over here for this one over here. And we put 1, 2, and this one over here. Okay, now it start to boil everything, and we put it on low. And now it's time to put the mozzarella. And the mozzarella we put all over the place. The low the gas. I don't want to boil it too much. All right, now we load the gas really low and we cover. I wanted the mozzarella to melt really good. But so you don't want to do on top of the stove, you can put in the oven. But I do like this, got to cover it cover really good. And we wait now the mozzarella to be melted all over the place. It got to look like this. Okay, let's take it out of my nice, beautiful chicken. I want to put it right over here. Let's take, oh, it's hot. The cover off. And now it's a time I want to test. Oh, look nice now. Let's dig like this. Where is it? Oh, look at this. Ah. So nice. A little mushroom. Good. Now we put a little fresh parsley right on the top. the asparagus, and the mushroom. It's a really good dish. And with a little glass of wine on the side, kinda wanna miss this wine. And I wanna say to everybody, salute e chin chin. Thank you so much. Got this, you make this dish, and you let me know. After everybody gotta say, it's a really good dish. Chin chin e salute, and we see next time. Chin chin. Thank you.